Hello guys, welcome. You're watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to go for factory unlock, how to terminate SIM card carrier locked in any iPhone device simultaneously. Also, if you're facing network carrier problem in any iPhone device, how you will terminate permanently in the world. Yes, this procedure will be valid for all the countries wherever you would like to terminate network carrier, SIM card carrier problem, your factory unlock if you would like to. So for it guys, see here, I'm getting problem when I'm going to insert the SIM card, it's going to say that no service. In that situation, what we have to do? I've inserted it, SIM card, but it's saying no service. Once again, I'm going to insert the SIM card and it's saying no service. So in that situation, what you have to do guys here? Simply you have to write this code. This code will be valid for failed test. Then I will also show you how to go for reset by using a specific code to all the iPhone, especially this code will be valid for Apple device guys here. So let's start. I will choose here a star, then 300. I will choose here 1 and I will write a star, then 1 2 3 4 5, and after coming on a 5, once again I have to choose here a star, then hatch, and I have to go for insert the here SIM card, and I will go for delete immediately. So insert it, I have inserted the SIM card and I'm going to delete. So now it's going to fail test. Let's see. So it's going to connect guys here. Now see the information cam on a display. So here what we have to do choose guys, first of all you have to go in a PDP context info. So let's come, this is once again let me back here guys. One is a SIM information. So if you would like to have, you go through all the SIM information of your iPhone device. Of course you can go for connected mode, LTE, intra, frequency, whatever the frequency is coming, you can go by checking it on second option, but second last is your PDF context info. So I have to come on this. So let's come on this PDF context info and I will go on a 0. In 0, I will confirm it that IPv4 is 00004 4 times 0 should be reflected here, otherwise might be problem in a hardware simultaneously in a software also. So see guys, it's cleared that there is no problem in the hardware as well as software of this. So I will once again, I will test 2-3 times and I will check it out, it's enabled or disabled. No responding, it means it's not enabled, means there is no any problem. In the situation, I will touch on once again APN 4-5 times and there is also no response, means both are fine. If it's going to response and showing you disable or enable, then the situation you will have the problem. So it means you will have to go for enable it. So both are is enabled, no problem. See, both is enabled. So what I will do guys here, now once again I will back it. Then I have to come on third options. I will check it out by clicking on IPv. It's not showing 00004 times. So see guys, for your more assurances, more confirmations, more clarification, you have to check it out one by one, 1 2 3 4 and 0, and you have to make sure that on a 0 option 4 times 0 should become on option of IPv4. Once again let me confirm, see 4 times 0 is coming here, so it means everything is fine. Now see guys, I would like to show you one thing here. If you would like to have the information related to area code, etc, frequency, of course you can go for, let's come on a service shell measurement. You'll get all the information guys here easily. Now I will come once again back it, and I will check it out. If anyone is highlighted that is disabled, then you have to make a enable of it. So once again I will come on sim info. In a C, in a see guys, here in a sim info you will get all the details here. Everything is disabled here. Sorry, everything is enabled here. No one is disabled. You have to touch one by one. All is enabled. Now see guys, here what do we have to do? Let's check it out. Never measurement. Last option. I will click here. I will go for here. On a version. Is a 5. It's a fine. Let's see. Never cells list. It's a 0. And here we have to confirm RSSI is less than 140. Here is a coming. So it's a fine here. Let me back here. See guys, similar especially procedure you can execute also to have all the informations related to your network area code etc of any your iPhone device around you. What is the area network code etc. Of course all the information you will get by this coding here. So just let me back here, and I have to come on a service shell info, and I will check it out. All the frequency here, frequency band indicator is coming quite good here, as well as area tracking code. Let me show this is area tracking code. So if you would like to check it out, network area tracking code of any SIM card, of course you can get it easily by this coding. Now see guys, what do we have to do here? Just let me go back. So what I will do here, once again I will exit the SIM card and I will go for reset options. So I will once again, let me show, I will check it out one by one. All, no one is enabled, sorry, no one is disabled, otherwise that will be highlighted in a blue color. So let me back, let me choose here this service shell management here once again, and let me check it out. RSSI, it's also fine. Now I will back here guys. Wi-Fi is working, that's why it's coming here. Now see guys, here all is fine, so I will have to go for reset. So if might be any function is actually disabled in that situation, you will have to enable by resetting code. So I will exit the SIM card here once again, and after exiting the SIM card I will go for here, just I will cut it. Once again I will come in a dial options, and here I will go for choose options is, that is star 500. Once again I will go for 5, then I will go for write star, then I will write here 7672, then I will go for write here star, then choose here 0 and hatch, and once again insert the SIM card, and immediately you have to go for press the dial option, so it will start to a reset. Let's see. So I will go for firstly dial options. Now it's saying error performing because SIM card is not inserted. Once again I will go for dismiss it, and I will go for star, then once again I will write 1 to 2 times guys. Here it's a coming error, but it will be resetted, no problem at all. So I'll go for 500, then I will write here once again 5, then I will choose once again a star, then I will choose here 76, then 72, then I will go for write a star once again 0 hatch, and I will insert the SIM card. Immediately I will go for press on a dialing button, and after dialing button we will start to press continue 00000, so that network all the network area will be resetted, and after resetting network will be fixed on your iPhone device. So let me just insert the SIM card, and I have started to dismiss 0000. Now see guys, now it's fixed here. Now finally network came here guys. So see, this is very easily you can go for factory unlock simultaneously. Also you can go for SIM card simultaneously. Of course network carrier problem to unlock. This is the easy way by dialing the code guys, and you will also get all the information that if any function is disabled, then you will be easily manually disable it, and you will be able to have the good frequency network on your iPhone device if you're having a problem guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. If this video is useful for you then and acknowledgeable, then don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, so because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose. And still if you're facing any problem guys, of course you have to raise the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to the query. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you very much. Have a great time. Keep watching Technology Welfare.